Fine, so today I am going to tell you about 3D printing. Seems new? Don't worry, I am here to tell you about each and everything from beginner to advanced. So now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So first of all, what is 3D printing? Basically, 3D printing is printing but not in 2D like we basically do on papers. But in this, we print things that are 3D. They are made from a material called PLA, that is polylactic acid. It is an acid, but it is not harmful. It is eco-friendly and also biodegradable. It is made mainly from cornstarch. It looks like plastic, but it is not. So now, let's leave the printing part aside. And first, the thing we need to do is to make a design that we would print. And to make that design, we need to have a computer or a laptop. There are many special softwares known as 3D printing softwares that are designed for 3D printing. But for these tutorials, I am going to use the most simple and the most easy software called Google Sketchup. You can easily download it from the internet, and I will also provide you a link in the description below. And if you have any difficulties, feel free to get in touch with me through the comment section. I will surely answer that. So now, after you download it, you have to just run this file and it would get installed on your system. This is how the icon would look like. Once we run it, this kind of window would open, and after you start it, this would come. It would be your designing interface. This would be the interface in which you would be working for most of the time. And that is all for today. In my next video, I will explain you the basic tools and also the shortcuts that will make you more efficient and fast. And we will also make a simple design. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share it to all your friends, and please friends, comment us if you have any doubt, confusion. It will surely help you. Thanks for watching.
Joseph signing off.